Right, today I'm going to be doing like a sort of review, demo, and not first impressions, but just my thoughts on the new Revolution Pro loose finishing powder. Now, this retails for £6, and honestly, it's my holy grail powder. It makes my face, which is got quite a lot of scars on and uneven texture, look absolutely flawless and matte, and doesn't have any flashback at all. So if you want to see how I got on with this, then just keep watching. Right, so I've got my powder here, and you can use it on a brush and it works just as well, but I've actually been mixing it in with my banana powder and my face powder, so I get that brightening yellow effect from the powder as well. So I mixed it in with my banana powder, as you can see here, and I've done my foundation and concealer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to dip it into my powder. As you can see there, you've got that yellow brightening effect, but then you've also got the finished office powder. And most powders for me sit on, they do sink into the face, but they sit on the face as well. Whereas this one, it literally sinks into your skin, which is why when I'm tapping it away, it's just like blending in easily. Whereas I couldn't bake with this because it would just sink into the thing. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take, you see it's very like finely milled. I'm going to put some on my sponge. And just go over my face. And I don't know if it's showing up on camera, but my face is literally, this looks so airbrushed, like it's so smooth. Right, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup, which is just simple. I'm just going to do contour, brush and bronzer and a bit of mascara, and I'll be back in a minute. Right, so that is it for my makeup. Super quick and everything just glides on easily once I put on that powder on my face. So hopefully, I've been doing this before work, so it is like 10 past 8. I just believe my alarm just went, it's 10 past 8. So I will be back at about 4, half 4 to see how it's held up, and yeah, I shall see you then. Right, so I'm back now and it is about 9 hours later. Yeah, just 9.5 hours later, and this is the state of my face at the moment. As if you can see here, like my face is like completely smooth still. Oh, I got a hiccup, so bear with me. My forehead isn't that oily, and neither is my nose. Underneath my eyes, oh my goodness, I can't stop hiccuping. Underneath my eyes, the creasing isn't as bad, and my smile lines usually crease really badly, but it's only done it like a tiny bit. Oh my goodness, wow. My smile lines have haven't creased that much either, and they generally don't tend to decrease as much when I'm using this powder. But yeah, I'm really happy about this powder, and as I said, it's like only £6, so it's really good. I forgot to mention that I actually set my face with something to spray afterwards. But yeah, this powder is literally my holy grail like powder, and I absolutely love it. I don't see how any other like powders like the Laura Mercier or the Wowder powder can like compare. Like I haven't used them, so I don't know. But this powder does everything I want and more, and it's only £6, so it's really good basically. And I'm dying with hiccups. But yeah, that is it for my little like review on the powder. If you guys found the video, thank you for watching, and I'll see you back in my next video soon. Hopefully, we're not having no hiccups either, but I'll see you in my next video soon. Bye.